Microsoft already replaced command prompt with Windows PowerShell. But there is an option, if you want to go back to command prompt. Today, I'm going to show you how to find that option. But, it's better to use Windows PowerShell. Because, today or tomorrow, Windows going to remove command prompt. To replace Windows PowerShell, press Windows and X key on the keyboard to open hidden Start menu. Select Settings. Click on Personalization. Select Taskbar. Turn off Replace command prompt with blah blah blah. That's it. Now you can use command prompt by default. Thanks for being here.